Hi guys, welcome back to another video and good morning from a very wet Goodwood. So we've just arrived for this year's Revival Festival. We're just starting setting up our stand and we're going to be doing one floor for a very special car as well. So stay tuned and we'll show you how we get on. We're also going to show you around this year's show and show you some of the races, so stay tuned and we'll show you the highlights of this year's Revival Festival. Stand's coming along nicely, the floor's all laid, Adam's just getting the lights up and just time to tidy everything up and we'll show you the finished product. Where's your umbrella?
I've got my custom style raincoat.
Right, so we nearly finished on our stand, but the rain stopped a little bit, so we just headed over to our friends at Howard Wise Cars. So these guys have got some lovely cars for sale here at the show, and we're just going to be laying a nice colourful patch for them for one of the cars. So we're just going to lay that down now, and we'll show you the car going on it. Right, so that's the floor all done for Howard Wise Cars. We've now got Total Head Turners asking us for some lights. So this is what normally happens at the show. People see our stand and they want us to do something for them. So we're going to go lay some lights for them on their stand and we'll show you how that goes down. Had bad luck with the weather at Goodwood this year for all of the events. Just setting up still, but look at this mud. Hopefully it clears up for the other few days.
We are at Goodwood Revival. We are here in amongst the whole of it. We're about to go over the bridge, so come with us and let's go see our best things about Goodwood Revival.